Manipur government, led by Chief Secretary Vineet Joshi, has initiated a program to bolster entrepreneurship among relief camp residents. Through an official memorandum from a Joint Secretary of Finance Department, the government aims to procure office supplies directly from the items crafted by relief camp inmates. Designated nodal agencies like the Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Cooperation, in short MHHDC, and the Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, in short MSLRLM, will facilitate the process. To expedite procurement and bypass bureaucratic hurdles, the government has waived tender procedures for these purchases by nodal agencies. Standardized pricing for all procure items will be set statewide, ensuring fairness and consistency. The collaboration between the Textile Commerce and Industries Department and the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department will oversee these pricing standardization. The initiative not only supports relief camp residents' economic livelihoods, but also fosters entrepreneurship and self-reliance within their communities. It reflects the government's commitment to social welfare and inclusive growth. By empowering vulnerable populations, the government strives to promote sustainable development across Manipur. In another office memorandum issued by Secretary of General Administrative Department, Michael Achom, it is also mentioned that the nodal agencies will collaborate directly with relief camps or through district administration to compile a list of produced items with prices. Government departments, autonomous bodies and PSUs under the government of Manipur will then place orders with the nodal agencies, followed by payment to designated bank accounts. To ensure quality and safety, nodal agencies will oversee branding and maintain transaction records, issuing receipts to both buyers and sellers. Weekly reports will be submitted to the Chief Secretary's office, detailing items procured, costs, quantities and purchasing departments, ensuring accountability and transparency in the process.